Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. So, what do we have in the box? We have a random orbital sander. Now, what's different about this orbital sander? First of all, the name, VonHaus. Most people haven't heard of VonHaus. It's linked to another one called Domu, and you might think, my goodness, I don't like the sound of that. Maybe. But I love tools like this because they're well worth the value that they present, and I've not had great deals of problem with it. And something like this was 25 quid. It's got a little dust collector. It's got Velcro pads for your discs. As you can see, I haven't used it yet, but I have used other VonHaus products and other Domu products, and I've shown you those on Budget with Brian. Don't be afraid. You like the look of the tool, need the tool, like the price, 25 quid. Don't be afraid. Go ahead, buy it. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, we're on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you've got any comments, always pleased to hear them. But don't forget, more importantly, subscribe.